Hi, hello everyone, welcome to this channel. On this video I'm going to show you guys how to turn off glance or some disturbing auto wallpaper on Redmi Note 13 Pro. Here I'm using Redmi Note 13 Pro. Obviously, how to remove the glance wallpaper, which is, I think it's annoying since I don't want that kind of wallpaper on my phone. So what you have to do, you go to your settings, and then instead of searching for glance, you just searching for this wallpaper. Okay, you just type in wallpaper, and then there is an option of wallpaper carousel. This one you have turned off this wallpaper carousel. So after it turned off, for instance, I want to use my own photo for the reason why I'm turning off this feature. Okay, then wait, that's it. I already turned off the wallpaper carousel, which is this is the glance app on Redmi Note 13 Pro. So that's it. Very simple tutorial. I hope it's helpful for you. If it does, please subscribe our channel, or you can click on the thanks button on down below. We will really appreciate that. See you on the next video. Bye bye.